So if you saw the service and tune-up on this Danita 3000 UK, which is the PR27 97 approved 80-channel FM set, so it's 40 UK, 40 EU, from about 1999-2000. Don't confuse it with the multi-norm version. All is washing. Tango 21 test.
Stand by while I put the microphone back on.
Oh yeah, Roger on that, and I'll just put my extension speaker in.
Roger that.
Poxy little 2.5-inch speaker in these sets, but that's the way modern sets have gone.
Right, now ready when you are.
Roger on that. So I'm ready.
Roger that, off we go.
Roger Dodger.
That's in the house and recording.
Roger on that.
Tone control.
Negative on this set. I missed my cue.
Roger. Right, we're now coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger on.
Lancaster service station 133.9 and 141.9.
Roger on that, it's still open.
Roger. Right, we're now square wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got your square wheels at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger on that.
Passing the top of the hill as we're down in towards Wilsford.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on the Danita 3000 UK from about the year 1999. It's doing 3.6 watts output and it's drawing 1.5 amps over.
that. I'll receive, no problems.
Just go on to say, I'm using the factory original microphone. It's a 6-pin one, we don't have one as a standard test mic, so I'd have to make one up as it's not comfortable.
Yep, roger that. Right, we're now going over Wilsford level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So I'm on the Danita 3000 UK. From about 1999, it's PR27 94. So it's 80 channel FM. On the standard mic, it doesn't have low power, doing 3.6 watts. And how about us going over to CBT, over?
Yeah, roger that, see you there.
Yeah. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you copy on CBT?
Yep, roger that, loud and clear.
That's a change on this band, back to UK.
Yep, roger. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie back on.
Roger, off you go when you're ready.
Roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Dodger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Today, please, over.
Yep, roger that. 136.9, 142.7.
Roger on that, that's fine, it works in treat. Thank you, 10-10.
Roger that, 10-10.
Mr. Chippie, we're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me at that end today, please, over?
Yep, roger that, 136.9, 142.7.
Roger on that, that's fine, it worked a treat. Thank you, 10-10.
Roger that, 10-10.
Right, well, that worked absolutely fine. We'll go over to the base station, the Midland 76900, and see what that sounds like on that factory original mic.
Tango 21, testing the Danita 3000 UK, PR27 set into our Midland 76900 at base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. With it not being a 2781 set, it doesn't have high-low power. So that's it. I think we've got a Eurosonic ES200 handheld or similar tomorrow. Thanks for watching.